We are at Grobnik Racetrack. Today we are here to check all of the systems on the car. On one car we're going to check the suspension setting. And on the other car, we're gonna mainly focus on the aerodynamic setup and for the active aerodynamics. Although these cars are going to have almost 2000 horsepower, we are really focusing on the driver experience. So the cars have to be drivable at normal speed. We want the driver to feel all of the driver experience from the seat up and also through the steering wheel and the brakes. Today was a really cool experience because although the cars are virtually the same, they are not. One car has the updated suspension, the other doesn't. One car has the active aero, the other doesn't. It is really good because this way we can see the benefits of the upgraded systems. Next steps are, after this test, one car is going to be shipped to Nardo. We have quite a lot of work to do, so we'll update the suspension even further. We'll do the calibration of the steering system, we'll do the calibration of the brake system, we'll do some testing with Pirelli. The other car stays in Zagreb, where we develop the powertrain, where we update the cooling system and check the HVAC.
It was really nice to see that the car really nicely correlates with the simulations that we did. Our test driver Mrgut did a really good job here, so thanks Miro.
Thank you.
Thanks for bringing it back home.
Yes.
So we can continue testing.
Thanks.
You didn't break it.
No, not yet. Well,
we'll see.
yeah.
Just, you know what? One more thing. Tires are new, so you have to do something about it, huh?